Hello. Totally. I'm chilling. I'm just gonna show you something. So, like, there's these house cosmetics, and then someone said, I'm getting bullied for wearing the cat ears. So I'm like, let's do a social experiment. Woo. Now, let's see what people say. Let's go into casuals first. I'm in a private lobby. I'm smart. Let's go.
My parents.
Funny monkey, funny
It's every
monkey,
casual lobby, I
funny
swear to
monkey.
God.
Very funny monkey. Bro, I'm literally about to punch your
Okay. Wait, I have the cat ears. No, I got it. Go. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna play hunt. I haven't done that before. Let's go.
You got me!
Yo, just target one monkey. Yeah, I'm a good person. Woo. Let's target pink. Yeah, get him. Yeah, get pink monkey. Woo. Slow. Slow.
Bro,
Welcome to Ice Monkeys. Anyways. I'm going to slow you now since you got the guy I was targeting. Which is kind of my goal. Look, come here.
You're the guy, bro!
No, you shall not be able to move. I'm speed boost. You can't outrun me, dude. Yeah! No! Oh my God. We're gonna be aggro this game. I'm a cat, boy! Meow, meow!
Let me have them cat ears, man.
Meow, meow!
Come here. Light blue, could you come here?
I hit something. Frick! Okay. I'm just going.
What? My brother? You are
Slow, man.
My brother is cheating on me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got stuck? Yes!
My brother cheating.
What was that noise?
My brother is...
Go, 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 go. Oh God, don't slow me. Oh, I'm bad. Okay. You made the same mistake as me. You should have just camped. I don't have you. I don't have you. Oh, I have this guy. What do you mean? Yes.
I slowed him down. Hey, you want to hear a song? You want to hear that song again?
No. Wait, no. No, wait, no. No risks on copyright. I'm gonna have to put a bleep sound over that. You know, it's fine. All right.
There we go.
He blocked. I hate tag rock. You're trying to play normal tag, and then somebody tags you. And I...
Boop.
No! You have tag right, and I
Boop.
hate it.
Oh God, wait, that guy's gonna have me. Oh God.
No! Just hit him with my target. Oh, God dang it.
I'm dead. Come here. Come here.
You can do that. Never mind.
Hello. How do you feel about the cat ears? Meow meow. I'm a cat. That's what cats say. I'm bad. Okay. Oh, I thought I was gonna fall. I thought my head was just stuck. Okay, no. Where is this man?
I see my tag.
Wait, what? No, stay away. Oh God, now White has me. No.
Where is he?
I don't have to.
You tagged the guy that had me, therefore you have me. Die. I know how hunt works.
Oh, that
Please.
here has
Ah! Hunt.
blue. Like your cat's ears. Not trying to.
You
knock
like
me.
them? Thank you.
Yeah. I like
Yeah. Die.
They're cute. I always wanted cat ears, but I keep on wasting my money. Therefore, I never.
All right, cool. Actually, someone actually likes the
said
cat
no.
ears. Finally. Oh my
Cat ears.
God.
No,
Guys, I swear to God, when I wasn't recording, it was everyone was like cursing me out for having the cat ears. And now that I'm recording, of course I can't get any good content, right?
it's me.
That's how that works. All right. Bonk, bonk.
Oh, I feel bad.
Oh wait. Okay.
They're really good at this.
Well, I'm gonna stay for a little bit. No. Well, I always have this blue guy, and I can never find him because he camps everywhere. I'm not dying. Start game. No. I refuse.
I can save you, Blue.
You
Man.
better.
Where you go?
Like
Did you
to.
fall?
I did not fall.
I just got back
fall.
on.
Shit.
I do all my targets have to be better than me.
I'm on the run.
Bro.
I don't know if that's bannable, but I'm just gonna do it because it's fun.
There he is.
Why have you not gotten this man? He's going to eat me. I don't have you. I have just blue dude. Where is he?
Okay, I'm scared of people.
Yeah, I know. Trust no one in this game. Oh, I'm dead.
I'm scared of people in this kind of. Oh,
No, please.
Sorry.
Shit.
Go.
Keep running, Blue.
I'm trying, man.
Brown monkey. Get the bean, the purple bean.
Bro, where is this blue guy? Finally!
What do you mean? He's right there. Bro, I like.
Jesus, I can never find him and you keep seeing him.
He's normally either
Oh,
here. He's on the ground below the bridge.
that was the most stressful game. Oh my God.
He hangs out near. the
Really?
bridge.
I swear to God.
Or like the bridge. No, sure.
Some guy.
Hey.
Oh, no.
Not kidding. You gotta be kidding me.
I have the blue guy again. Oh my God. Where is he?
Because he's
I always have him.
He's on the bridge.
Bridge? No, that's me.
you. He likes to.
That's me.
Don't slow me down. Water monkey. The blue
Guys.
guy's over here at stop.
Oh. Who's going next games, man? Oh my.
Oh, bro, why are you guys doing this?
Now I have the banana monkey.
Bro, I could have gotten brown for you.
But now I'm gonna go get brown.
Doubt it, but okay.
Oh,
See, I told
well,
you.
would you look at that? All right, cool.
Grr, Freddy Fazbear.
E.
Or.
Har.
Hey, bro, you making no plans? Are you kidding?
Oh, I'm hitting stuff. Oh,
Every time. Just the same monkey.
I have the blue guy. Why? Yes, yes, blue guy.
Bro, I keep getting brown.
And I keep getting this blue guy.
Hi, brown. No.
Well, I got him. Do. Be as vague as possible.
Camper, I'll just let you run away.
I need this guy. I need him. I need him. What is your name? Ah!
Dude, they get tagged in us.
No.
Brown, we did it.
No. Okay, it's fine. You know what, Brown? I hope I have you.
Bro, I
Frick.
my target was brown, so I just sat in the tree
Oh, you suck.
and evaded him. Hey, bro,
You were going to just let me die, man? I thought we had something.
No, I wasn't gonna let you die. Yeah, we do.
And you just let me die?
Where's white? Just tell me where you.
I don't know. Where's green? Yo, chill. Yo.
Oh, he's over here. He's over there.
Wait.
He's over here climbing the ladder. Brown monkey just got him. Wait,
No one cares about brown monkey. Ah!
Hold on, Azir.
Banana monkey, I have to do this.
No banana.
No, I have to.
Two monkey. No.
Oculus menu. Tactical Oculus menu inbound.
You.
Don't slow me. Don't slow me. Why are you echoing?
slow
Why do you echo? Oh God! Wait. Yes, payback. Anyways, payback for what?
Oh, no. Tagging
So
me.
what? Okay, and
Bro, who's your
I
target?
have the purple dude.
Get one of them. Bro, purple monkey. It was purple monkey versus blue monkey. That's the funniest match I've ever seen. Dude,
Oh God, the two people that I can never find. I have the blue guy. I'm getting him right away. No, you not juke me.
Get him.
You
get him.
die.
Hurry.
I have
hurry.
him. I got him.
Where's the other purple monkey?
Where's the green dude? Oh God! Wait, Freddy, please.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That annoys me. Okay. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I mind if I use my mod.
No, you're not using your mods. Bro, I'm gonna go into an infection competitive and see what happens. Because I want to prove you that people hate this set.
I don't care.
Do you like my cat ears?
You guys know Simon goes, ah, God is good.
What the hell?
G,
Okay.
guys, G-U-G.
No.
Why's the code?
You guys know that song?
And it's time to get the. Okay, you know what? We're gonna try this one more time. New lobby. Do you like my cat ears?
You know what you do, Daddy.
Your mom's getting almost you need.
What's up, baby?
Do you like my cat ears?
They found someone better.
Yes, I like your cat ears. Whoa.
Do you like my cat ears?
Dude, I hate this snack.
No.
Do you like my cat ears, Blue?
cat ears.
Okay.
Hey, yo, everybody just be
Ah!
doing it.
Okay. Who doesn't like my cat ears? I'm sorry.
Green.
I don't know what you want.
Green, what am I
Do you like my cat ears, Pink?
Do you like mayonnaise?
doing?
No one likes
Okay, you're done.
sunshine. Lollipop.
Uh-oh, stinky. Yes.
Oh, stinky. Who tagged you?
Me! Cat ear dude! No!
Come here. Come here. Let me give you the special thing since you
No,
attacked me.
no.
Bro, I tagged
No, you didn't! God! I have to play so many bleep sound effects. You know, it's fine. That's gonna be it for the video because people are nerds. Alright? See ya.